Alrighty, what I'm going to do here is I got my coals about where I want them. I'm going to go ahead and dump them off. I'm just going to get these coals kind of piled up right over here. That way I have all of this as a cool side. I got a smoke tube, and I have filled this smoke tube up with maple bourbon pellets, letter set, and now I'm just going to put this down in here, and that's what's going to provide my smoke for our cream cheese here. We got that set in there, and now we can go ahead and get our grate set on here. Alrighty, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get our cream cheese opened up out of here and get them laid out so we can get these seasoned down. Using the PS seasonings, Blue Ribbon competition style rib rub again, but I have mixed it this time with some of PS Wild Game Hunter blends. Between the two, it ought to really match up well on this cream cheese. And don't be shy here. Get you a good dose on there. And you're going to want to do all of your sides. Just kind of give it a good tap. And then what we're going to do is kind of roll her over. Go ahead and get our sides. And you're going to get your bottom as well. Man, that is smelling some kind of good already. But I'm going to tell you what. You really cannot beat smoking cream cheese. After I've done it, I've done decided there's not another dip that goes better with crackers, Frito chips, whatever you want. And for a game day snack, oh yeah. Alright, I got some aluminum foil right here on my pit, and all we're going to do is take this block of cream cheese and set it as far away from that heat as possible. And what I'm going to do is just roll this back some. And the only reason I'm rolling it back some is because I want to be able to get as much smoke pulling out of that smoke tube up here as I can. Now the whole trick to this is your pit has to be between 225 and 250 degrees. I do have the grill live plugged in, sitting on the grate right here. That way I can monitor what's going on around this cream cheese. And I'm actually going to move this to about right here, and I'll put my other two over here in a moment off camera. Because if you get over 250 degrees, you will start to melt this cream cheese, and that's not what we want. We still want it firm at the end. And there's no reason to spritz this or anything else. You're going to close it down, let her cook for 2 hours exactly. After 2 hours, take her off. Alright, one other thing that you need to do that I almost forgot about. You want to take these and just kind of cut you some cross hatches in there. You ain't got to go super deep. Just a little bit. It just allows this cheese to be able to expand. Let me come back across my marks. Doing this before you season it actually works a little bit better. Since these two are going to be leaving, I need the presentation here. So I'm going to leave these two with cross hatches, and this one's staying here for me and the wife later. I'm not going to do cross hatches on it. We're going to see together if it really makes a difference. We're going to give our pit here open up, take a look at these. These have been going for 1 hour, and oh yeah, they're starting to firm up. Now if you notice, the ones I did with the hatch are real nice. One over here is starting to split a little bit. So I'm definitely going to say, if you're looking for presentation, to most definitely make your cross hatches in there. Alrighty, we have been exactly 2 hours. Let's go ahead and raise our pit, and oh my god, look how beautiful they're looking. And like I said, the ones with the cross hatch turned out better, but this is a dip, so it really don't matter. I'm gonna go ahead and get these probes out of my way. Best thing to do is to pull this with the hole full, because if you try to get a spatula or something in there, you're really going to start messing up your cream cheese. So what we're going to do here, now that we got that cream cheese opened up, we're going to go in here and just sprinkle some more of this seasoning down in between these cracks. That's going to allow that to really get up inside that cheese really good too. We're going to take a taste test right here for you, and I'm going to dip into this one that I know is going to be ours. That right there is delicious, boys. I got to go in for another bite. It don't get no better than that. Wow. Flavor bombs. Y'all be sure to give the smoked cream cheese a try. Make it for your football games coming up here in the next few weeks when they start up. Make it for your friends, your families. I like using the PS Seasonings, and I want to thank PS Seasonings for being one of our sponsors here on Smoky Ribs, because I'm gonna be honest, in my honest opinion, even if I didn't have their sponsorship, I would buy their products week after week after week, because I believe in them. They are the best in my opinion. You go to the stores and you can get some good rubs and you can get some good barbecue sauce, but they are about 10 notches above the competition, and that is a fact. I want to thank Fogo Lump Charcoal for always being a sponsor of ours as well. Until next week, I'm Derek Jones. This is the Down South series on Smoky Ribs.